So in today's video, I am going to be showing you what I got from Aldi to cook my Valentine's date night meal. I'm going to be cooking it with you guys and showing you the finished results. So let's get cooking. So the first thing I did was get my new potatoes on to boil. Then I took out my mushrooms I got from Aldi. They're great big ones, and I got a little bit of butter, some garlic puree, and mixed those together to make like a garlic butter, and then I spread them on top of the mushrooms ready to go in the oven later on. Once I boiled my potatoes for about 5 minutes, I drained them, covered them in some oil, and then sprinkled over some rosemary on a baking tray and popped them in the oven for roughly 45 minutes. I bought 2 of the Aldi sirloin steaks for our dinner, and then I took some seasoning, salt and pepper, sprinkled it over the steaks, and also added a little bit of oil, and then I rubbed it in using a fork so I didn't have to touch it and get my hands covered in raw meat. You can always use your hands if you choose to. And then I turned the steaks over and did the same on the other side. Once the potatoes were almost done, I then got my steaks on to cook, and I like to leave them on long enough that they get a nice glaze to them. I also popped on some asparagus, which I bought, and we also bought some peppercorn sauce to go with our steaks, so I just heated that up in a pan. I then set up the table to make it look all pretty for our Valentine's meal. A lot of things on the table I got in my recent Poundland Valentine's haul. I will link it so you can go and check it out if you'd like to. So this is it plated up. We have our steaks with our garlic butter mushrooms and our roasted potatoes and some asparagus. And then Andrew is just pouring over his peppercorn sauce. And if you thought this was going to be a romantic dinner for 2, you'd be wrong, because we got joined by a little person who mostly ate all the chocolates. In total, this dinner cost £15.43, and that includes dessert enough for 6 people. So this is our dessert. We got some vanilla ice cream, and we also got the chocolate fudge cake, which serves 6, and that was our dessert. I served it up with some strawberries, and I put it into the heart bowls that I got in my Poundland haul and the Poundland plate, and it was really yummy. We had this chocolate fudge cake before and we just love it. We warmed it up as well, so it was really delicious. And as soon as dessert appeared, everyone wanted a piece.
Cheers!
Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more cook with me videos, let me know in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!